For today, and also looking ahead to the weekend as well. Sarah's got the details.
Thanks, Charlie. Well, things are turning quite stormy as we head towards the weekend. Today, a quieter spell of weather, but certainly tomorrow we've got Storm Brian on the cards, which will bring gales and also some rain around too. So if we take a look at where Storm Brian is at the moment, it's still sitting out in the Atlantic, but a really deep area of low pressure, lots of isobars around that area of low pressure. So the winds are going to be the main feature. We've got another area of low pressure with us today, but it's clearing away towards the east. So you may well wake up to quite a bit of cloud and a few spots of drizzly rain, but that should clear away. An improving sort of day for most of us. So some sunny spells for Scotland, Northern Ireland, through Wales down towards parts of southern England too, before this next area of rain and strengthening winds moves in from the west later in the day. Ahead of that, in the lighter winds and sunny spells, only 13 to 15 degrees, but that should feel pleasant enough. But then it's into the evening hours when things really start to turn quite lively in the west. This band of rain works its way from west to east across all parts of the country. That's associated with Storm Brian that's moving in from the west during tonight and tomorrow morning. Now, the strongest of the winds will be to the south of the area of low pressure, so especially affecting parts of Wales down towards southern and southwest England too. And if we look at some of the wind speeds that we're expecting, we're likely to see gusts around the coast of 60 or even 70 miles per hour. And inland, we could see those gusts of 40 or 50 miles per hour, enough to cause some disruption with big branches of trees, for instance, blown down. And around the coast, scenes like this. We've got spring tides at the moment, so high tides combined with the strong winds, so there could be some coastal overtopping. So some strong winds and some heavy showers, particularly towards the south and the west, I think, during Saturday. Could be some thunderstorms mixed in with these heavy downpours too, and quite a lot of lying surface water, for instance, for northwest England and southwest Scotland. And the strength of the wind is enough to cause some disruption. I think eastern areas, you're probably more likely to stay dry for a good part of the day, but windy really wherever you are, and temperatures around 13 to 16 degrees. Through Saturday night, as Storm Brian just drifts its way further off towards the northeast, the strongest of the winds will die down. So I think for Sunday, that'll probably be a slightly quieter day compared to Saturday. Still quite breezy and some showers packing in, especially around the north and the west. Further east, you're more likely to stay dry, but it will be a little bit cooler with temperatures around 12 to 14 degrees. So sunshine and showers on Sunday, but we are expecting some wet and some windy weather for many of us on Saturday. Back to Naga and Charlie.
Sarah, thanks very much.
The UK